Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look on the gold market. So market shows the performance in the same range as yesterday. So we talked about the possible retracement down, but market right now shows some signs of strength. Indeed, if you take a look on the lower time frame, particularly speaking on the hourly chart that we discussed yesterday and talked about even minor target. So we said that probably we will not consider OP by far, but taking a look just at the COP possible target to the downside, you can see that yesterday the market was not able even to reach the COP. So minimum target that stands right here. So it shows the upward action. And if we consider this type of action as the hand and shoulders, then well, currently it seems that we're getting some signs of the failure of this pattern. So some shoulder has been formed, but market hasn't moving lower, it hasn't moved lower, and now start upward action instead. Still, I feel some kind of worry about the current performance, and somehow I have some doubts on the necessity of taking a long position right here. So something tells me that we probably should get and could get a bit downside action, mostly because of the CPI numbers, and upside tick on the CPI could really make impact on the performance on the gold market. Besides, today we have considered also situation on the euro currency, on the Great British pound. There also not everything is absolutely clear. So it seems that Forex market we still could get a bit deeper retracement. So maybe it's, I don't know how to call it, not quite the garbage triple to sell or something, but you can see that theoretically we could get some downside action still in retesting of the confidence support that we have here. So nominally, actually, with this retracement, market already has tested the level that we have specified in the weekend. We said by some reasons completion of the XOP, we will be watching for confidence 23.48, 23.54. so here, as you could see, that has been tested a couple of times. The market right now is turning up. So if you have got the long position here, that's great. If you still would like to take it, well, personally I prefer to wait. Also keep an eye here, so we could get some kind of the bearish grabber or something that really could show and trigger on the market a bit deeper retracement. Still, if you would like try to take the long position in the current circumstance and you do not want to wait for some clarity and possible deeper retracement, especially if it will not happen at all, then at least on the hourly chart, if you would like to buy, try to take position on some pullback, because your invalidation point for entry at this area will be these lows. So according to taking position, logic taking position at this point, you automatically assume that market will not drop below the lows, and shoulders failed, and actually you are preparing for upward action. Some retracement might happen, but market should not drop below this area. This automatically tell you that this is actually invalidation points for this trade, and you will have to place stop somewhere below these areas. If still market will still keep dropping, then we are returning back to our initial scenario. But this is only for those who just would like to try at this point. More conservative approach and more reasonable currently, maybe it makes sense to wait for the CPI numbers, because this performance overall, although it is going higher, it's not really, well, it's a bit choppy. Wobbling action, seems some lack of confidence in the market performance. Yes, we have on the 10-year bonds this type of action. We suggest this might be free drive to the 4.1 on the 10-year bonds and should be supportive for the gold, but we're coming to data release, and from that standpoint I wouldn't be hurry up with the decision making on long entry immediately. But this is just my personal opinion. So as I said, those of you who would like to wait, prefer to wait, let's wait. Maybe we'll get at least the COP target been touched. tomorrow and consider taking the position. If you still would like to try to buy earlier, then makes sense to be focused on some pullback, on some minor retracement, at least to minimize the potential loss if it will happen. So that's our opinion on the gold.